Hey there. Having trouble with the Cash App and its refusal to let you add paper money? You're in the right place. Today we'll walk through how to fix Cash App not letting me add paper money, ensuring you can manage your finances smoothly. So let's dive right into it. Step 1. Check for app updates. First things first, let's ensure your Cash App is up to date. Sometimes the inability to add paper money stems from outdated app versions. Head to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Cash App, and see if an update is available. If there is, go ahead and install it. App updates often bring in crucial bug fixes and performance enhancements that might resolve your issue. Step 2. Verify your account. Next, we need to check if your Cash App account is verified. Cash App imposes certain restrictions on unverified accounts, and this might be the reason it's not letting you add paper money. To verify, open Cash App, tap on your profile icon, and scroll to the section called Personal. Here you'll need to enter your full name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. This process provides full access to all Cash App features. Step 3. Review linked payment methods. Another potential hiccup is an issue with linked payment methods. Head over to the app and tap the Banking tab at the bottom of the screen. Check your linked debit or bank accounts here. If something seems out of place, ensure your bank information is correctly entered or try removing and re-adding your payment method. Remember, linking a valid debit card or bank account is crucial for hassle-free transactions. Step 4. Clear cache and data. Sometimes clearing cache and data can help resolve app-related glitches. If you're an Android user, go to your phone settings, find the Apps section, locate Cash App, and select Clear Cache and Clear Data. Restart your phone afterwards. iOS users can achieve a similar effect by uninstalling and reinstalling the app, which clears stored data and cache. Step 5. Contact Cash App support. If none of the above steps work, it's time to reach out to Cash App's dedicated support team. Open the app, go to the Profile section, scroll to Cash Support, and then select something else. From here, navigate to the option related to your issue and click Contact Support. You can also reach out to them through their website or social media channels. And there you have it. You've just learned how to fix Cash App not letting you add paper money. Keeping apps updated, verifying your account, and reviewing linked payment methods can often do the trick. While simple issues can be resolved with cache clearing or reinstallation, don't hesitate to reach out to support for persistent problems. With these tips, managing your Cash App transactions should become a breeze. Happy transacting.